Faculty of Economics, Mr. Toto Sugiharto, PhD. To Mr. Toto Sugiharto, PhD, please welcome.
On this occasion, I would like to express my gratitude to a number of parties. First of all and foremost, of course, my gratitude goes to Professor Habib for his willingness to spend his valuable time to come to our campus for delivering lecture in this international lecture.
Ladies and gentlemen, colleagues and students, it is an honor and great pleasure to present to you Professor Habib Ahmed as the Professor of Islamic Law and Finance of Durham University. He is one of the most prominent scholars that we've got in Islamic economics and finance today. Professor Habib Ahmed got his MA Economics from Chittagong, Bangladesh, Master of Economics from Oslo, Norwegia, and received his Doctor of Philosophy from the University of Connecticut, United States of America. It's been our dream, Professor Habib, to have you in this university. And please welcome Professor Habib Ahmed.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Rizaldi for inviting me here. It's a pleasure to be here, even though I had a very busy schedule. So the talk I'm going to give today is Knowledge, Innovation and Islamic Finance, a new institutional economics perspective. I'll be focusing more on the knowledge, innovation and Islamic finance part, and a little bit less on the new institutional economics perspective. I gave us a similar lecture yesterday at UN, and I had a feeling that when I talked about the new institutional economics perspective, some of the discussions got a bit diluted because people, I think, got a bit confused about the new institutional economics perspective. And it is not an easy topic in terms of concept. But I will mention about new institutional economics perspective, but not go into details. The Islamic economic system based on Islamic principles would actually provide economic growth with income equality.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Department of Islamic Economics, I would like to thank you for your kind participation. See you later in the next event of Islamic Economy, insyaAllah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.